Meaning of French stick.
French stick.
French stick.
French stick.
French stick. A French stick, also known as a baguette, is a type of bread that originated in France. It is long and thin, with a crispy crust and a soft, airy interior. The bread is typically made from flour, water, yeast, and salt, and is an important part of French cuisine. A traditional French stick is usually around 60 to 70 centimeters long and can be eaten on its own or used to make sandwiches. Due to its popularity and unique taste, French sticks can now be found in bakeries and restaurants worldwide.